So my name is Jessica Pope. I'm the National Sales Director for Soap and Paper Factory. We started in 2001 in our founder Lisa's basement, and since then have grown to be a real wholesale business with over 1,000 retail outlets in the United States, as well as a retail site. Our number one product is Rollin' Pine, and it's a really beautiful fragrance for holiday, but also year-round. That is pine and crisp fir. And this year we've expanded it into 3 different distinct collections that have different designs. My experience with ConnectPointz has been incredible. I had the opportunity to not only be the sales director of this company, but I also enter all of the orders. So for me, it's been beneficial to be able to see the orders drop into all of the different systems in real time. It helps me be able to process more efficiently and then know when they reach my warehouse so I can see when they're shipped out. I can also see the tracking information right when the warehouse enters it. So that's been really nice for me to be able to share with customers. Often we ship same day. So the speed of the service has been really incredible, and also being able to see how everything is moving through our system is really beneficial. I think one of the most incredible parts of using ConnectPointz has been being able to customize the systems to what we need. So for example, with our tester situation, being able to build code, I certainly can't do it, but someone else can, so that all of the systems can speak and understand, what we need. I mean, just overreachingly is just the fast response from the ConnectPointz team. We always can rely on them to get back to us right away and address our issues as they come about. Sometimes, we have new problems, and it's easy for them to respond and manipulate the systems as we need them. With ConnectPointz, I feel like our customer service is better because I can track the order through every single aspect, from the second that it's placed to the second that it ships. I feel like our warehouse can also do their job better because they have a good rhythm with when orders are coming in. I think that it's increased our efficiency and our customer service overreachingly using ConnectPointz.